we're about, I think about
Maybe we want to be a bit
2 miles, mile and a half.
just here.
And then we're right, we turn the
We want
tides.
to stay a bit
Take
higher
a
here for a minute, Woody, with the pressure. Stay as high as you can with the stage.
Yeah, as long as you stay in the pressure. And then Matfrey above us, Brunel back a bit, and then Axo and Vestas. So considering the terrible start I had, we're in good shape. Like these just lifted bit massively, right?
Yeah.
Maybe we've got to go get into that. The same.
Where's the keel?
Centre.
That's not the
Right,
problem.
mate. 62 to 65 is probably good.
We were going along, just all fine and dandy. Now we just dropped out of the pressure and everyone else is inside us, still on the wind. Pretty painful. I'm about to tack.
You want to get back on it? Hold Phil.
We just get over like that, like in about 3 minutes. That's
Oh, scoop up.
Oh, we just run out of every single bit of pressure we had. Third, and now I can't even see the boat anymore. It's like we just put the handbrake on, and we had to do some tacking back and forth because there's no breeze. We've just got into a little bit of pressure, so we're heading the same way the other boats are. But yeah, we're now 6 miles behind when we were 6 miles in front of some boats. So. But hey, that's yachting.
We can't be behind turn the tide. Like, can't finish this race last. Just try and stay focused, I guess, is the big thing, and not get too disheartened, which is pretty difficult so early on. But obviously we're going upwind, so chances are that they're going to get to the new breeze first. So I think there's talk of a transition of the breeze coming from the north. So try and find a way to get into that earlier. To try and, again, like I said, minimise losses and just stay with the pack. You know, that's the big thing here. It's just staying together and trying to find other passing lanes and just not make mistakes.